Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. I'm going to do an unboxing today of my business cards for my business, and let's just get right into it. I have Canva Pro, and I designed my own business card, and I sent it into Canva, and I got my cards back in, like, I want to say about 5 days. And it came in a box like this. Let me put it back together. It came in a box like this. Open it up. Smaller box, which is the actual business card. It has a saying, it always seems impossible until it's done. Very inspirational. But this is the box, and the smaller box, which you can keep your cards stored in, which I will. This is very cute. I like it. Okay. Card itself. I'm going to hold it up to the camera. I hope I'm able to do this successfully. This is the front of the card. This is the front. And this is the back of the card. Okay, what I chose on this card is not to have any graphics, and that's intentional. I wanted the NY to be the branding, to be what is remembered by people. So that's why I did not do any graphs or anything like that. I only ordered 100 cards, and the reason I did that is because things evolve, and I didn't want to purchase quantities of 1,000 or so just to get a price break. But things change, and I'm working on, my online store, the website. So I still have to add that. So I did not want to print out, but have so many, but printed up. This is, like I said, a very light shade of blue and a darker blue that says handmade fashion accessories, and then the back. And I just kept it simple, clean, elegant, and professional. That's what the look that I was after. Okay, something just very clean looking. And like I said, I got this from Canva. If you ever order business cards from Canva, they have 3 stocks of paper that you choose from. Standard stock, then also it was premium. Premium for these 100 cards would have cost me $20-some. I chose deluxe, and that's why my cards cost $52. The premium was a little too flimsy for me. I looked at a couple of YouTube videos, and I was listening to the way people were commenting on the stock. They really wasn't pleased with the second version, which was the premium version. So that's why I chose deluxe. This is a card that got abused in the box, so I'll just do. But it's very, very thick. Very, very thick. Not that kind of flimsy, bendable. No, it's not that. And I did that intentionally. I did not want a flimsy business card. I just did not want that at all. I know people, don't, what do I want to say? They don't really, once you give a business card, or you even receive a business card, people really don't take them and take care of them and all of that. I understand that. But it still was the principle of it for me. I don't like flimsy business cards because I just think it's just unprofessional, to be honest. I think a heavy stock is something that, people are like, that type of thing. Flimsy business cards, they're passed out all the time. So I don't think people are like, oh, okay. They'll just, not saying that they won't do it with this one, but again, heavier stock, I just think it gives a better impression. And so that's what I did, was purchase mine through Canva. If you ever have the opportunity, or if you're thinking about purchasing Canva, they do have a free version. Like I said, I have the paid version. It only cost me $119 for a year. I didn't think it was that bad. And one of the things that Canva did for me is that I have never edited videos before in my life. And I tried a couple of other editors, and because I had never done it before, I was getting frustrated. I'm a kind of an impatient person, and I was getting kind of frustrated. But then Canva's editor was super easy, super easy. So if you've never got into editing videos, it's a great place to start. I don't think it comes with the unpaid version. I don't think so. But I think you can probably get it for 30 days, a trial version of Canva. So it might be worth that. But it got me started on the editing of the videos. I've switched now, but it was a great place for me to start. So if you're thinking about Canva Pro, it's a great investment. Okay. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the first ones that got on board with me. Thank you. Thank you for the new folks that have recently signed up. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Okay. So I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.